These vegetable names sound completely different. But can you guess the real vegetable before the reveal? Let's go. Queen beans. Queen beans. Green beans. Well pepper. Well pepper. Bell pepper. Sweet cone. Sweet cone. Sweet corn. On lion. On lion. Onion. Axe plain. Axe plain. Eggplant. Butter net. Smash. Butter net smash. Butternut squash. Think these are easy. The next vegetable names get much trickier. Cauliflower. 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 Oak ray. Oak ray. Okra. Car rote. Car rote. Carrot. Bow tattoo. Bow tattoo. Potato. Toe metro. Toe metro. Tomato. Wait, almost nobody guessed the last one correctly. Jar lick. Jar lick. Garlic. Cube slumber. Cube slumber. Cucumber. Jelly pepper. Jelly pepper. Chili pepper. Brow cola. Brow cola. Broccoli. Cab beige. Cab beige. Cabbage. Spin ache. Spin ache. Spinach. Late loose. Late loose. Lettuce. Raid fish. Raid fish. Radish. Sweet tattoo. Sweet tattoo. Sweet potato. How many vegetable names did you guess before the reveal? Comment your score below and tell me which one fooled you the most. Subscribe for more fun.